Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Hola, buen dia. Okay, today I have 13 euro session. Almost isang di 13 euros. Vamos começar. Let's start. 50 veces 50x. I'm ticket number 29, 30, 29, 30. Ay, Jesus. Come on, Santa Casa. Come on, Portugal lottery. We're looking for 42, 43, 45, 16, 22. Oh, Lord, a lot of 40s. And they give me 39, of course. 30, 37. Ah, 36, almost. 12, 18, 21. I need 40, 19, 23, 29. I need 22. 44. Ay, Lord. 42, 43, 44, 45. 13, 32. This is 22, right? 37. 41. Of course not. Okay. Winner. Let's go to 30. We're looking for 12, 12, 11, 23, 34, and 36. And I have 45 that I needed in the first ticket. Ay, Lord have mercy. 44. 17. 27. 37. 26. 23. 36. 40. The size that I needed in the first ticket. 38. 31. 41. 42. All the numbers that I needed in the first tickets are all here. 32. 13. 12. 29. Ay, Lord have mercy. Not winner, of course. Okay, this is 13, yeah? Okay, so not a winner. Let's go to our last hope. X and L. 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 X. L. Okay. There's a lot of L. T and O. O. There's L here also. What's going on with this coin? Doesn't work. Jesus. Okay, so O. 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 Jesus. What's going on with all the coins in the world? It doesn't work. T and O. T. No T. E and V. E. Oh, Lord have mercy. E and V. E. 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 V. Portuguese coins, guys, is almost cannot scratch. D and Z. D. No. T and R. R, E. R. R. No, it's I. It's not T. Oh, Lord, Sika. There's no I. No I. I and R, not T. There's no I at all. C and M. M. C. M. H. 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 M. Q. I don't see Q. N. There's no N. J. Almost nothing. S. I. O. U. U, but no P. There's no P. There's O. There's no P. No A, no F. There's R, but no F. No U. Only I, O, and what? E. Okay. So not a winner. No F. Okay, so this is not a winner. There's S here, of course, but there's no A. No letter A, so not a winner. If okay, so no F, no. So this is not a winner. Quinientos. How about this? Cinco. So not a winner. Okay, so there's no win in this session. Okay, all donations. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigado a todos. Ciao.